This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to stick with the oil theme, and we're going to look at the Bgi Oil Etf XLE. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock market ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have XLE. This is the ETF for big oil. Now, I've shown this many a times here, and this is an easy way to trade all the big companies like Exxon and Schlumberger and Mobil, and all the big oil is right in here. And this pays about a 3.5% dividend here also, okay? So let's take a look at the charts. Well, here's the key level here, okay? So we want to look at that price channel, 86.03. Now, you need to close over. That's going to be very, very key, because you can see right here, there's that 86.03. It came over here and retested it at 85.99, and then it came on down here. But you notice here how this 8 SMA here is curling up. You're above the 21, above the 200-day, and headed towards that 50-day. So this is looking very, very strong here. Now, the key today is to close up 86 over 86.03. Now, oil's moving up here. Oil's up here at 75.70, up over $2 here. Bottom line, seasonality, like I said, you buy crude oil here the first week of December, you ride it to the first week of the January, and then you sell it, and then you either short it or you scalp it all the way to the end of February, and then you go long all the way into summer driving, into hurricane season, to the end of September. So let's just see what we got here, okay? So right here, 86.03, that's what you need to close above, okay? If you can, we have a nice target here sitting at that 100-day here, sitting at 87.21. Now, here we look at a weekly chart here. You got 87.30. That's sitting just right above it. So that lines up pretty nicely here. So that is going to be your big time resistance. Now, again, if you can get above all that, then we can just follow these candles all the way on up here. Okay, so you got 88.06 here. We have 87.52, and then this is the key one that you want to watch here, okay? This here is 89.75. There's your gap. And then look to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 89.95. So you have a gap in a fill, okay? And then we can just ride this right back up here. So you have 91.98 here. We come over here. You have 92.34, and then we have 92.56 here, okay? And then you can take it all the way up here to rally up here to 93.69 here. But the gap in the fill is usually a very, very nice target area if, okay, you can close back above this 100 and this 21 SMA here, then that would be your target, okay? Now, on the downside, you want to watch this 50 SMA here, 85.17, and then this key 8 SMA here at 84.83. Then we have your 2 Hondo right there. Let me see what we got there. Let me see. Take this down a little bit. Okay. Then we have your 200 SMA here. You're sitting at 84.46. And then we have your 21-day sitting right below that at 83.84. That is going to be your support levels there here. Now, the key one is to watch is going to always be that 8, because as you can see how it's going up here, it's holding the price all the way on up here. Okay. So remember, on the downside, watch the 50. Your 8-day, your 200-day here, and your key 21-day. Now, again, if that's lost, there's also a gap on the downside. So you want to look to the bottom of that candle there. You're sitting at 83.16, and then the top of this candle here, you're looking at 82.36. So you have a gap in the fill on the downside, and we have a gap in the fill here on the upside, okay? So bottom line here, if, big if, you can close above here, this key level here at this 86.03, 87.21 here, 87.30 is going to be upside targets here. Again, if you get above that, then we look for the gap in the fill. On the downside, watch your 50-day, your 8 SMA, your 200-day, your 21-day. If that's lost, then we have your gap, your fill, and you have a retest down here at 80.74. Now you look at your RSI here. Oh, you got plenty of room to run here. You're only sitting at 58 here. This here, your green's over your red, very, very bullish here, looking very, very good here. Your RSI here, plenty of room to run here on your weekly chart here. And then your MACD here, well, it's trying to work it. The green is trying to get above the red here, so we got to see how it's all going to shake out. So if you want to trade the big oil, okay, and you want to make it easy for yourself, the XLE, which pays a nice 3.5% dividend, might just be for you. All right, thanks for watching.